Welcome, my dear students. I am Sri Semual. In this video, we will learn Class 8 Computer Chapter First Wireless and Cloud Technologies. In this chapter, we will learn about these topics: wireless technologies, infrared communication, Bluetooth technology, Wi-Fi technology, hotspot, global positioning system, mobile broadband, and cloud computing. Wireless technologies. Wireless technology refers to technology that allows us to communicate without using cables or wires. With wireless technologies, people and other entities can communicate over very long distances. Wireless technology includes RF radio frequency and IR infrared respectively. Means the technology that allows us to communicate without wires or cables. In this technology, people can make communication over a very long distances. In this technology, RF radio frequency and IR infrared are used for transfer signals or data from one devices to another. Infrared communication. Infrared communication is the use of wireless technology in devices or systems that convey data through infrared radiation. The most common use of infrared communication in everyday life is remote controls. It means in this wireless communication technology, infrared radiation is used to carry or transfer data or signals from one device to another. In our daily life, the example of infrared communication is remote controls of television, air conditioner, etc. Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth technology is a short range wireless communications technology to replace the cable connecting electronic devices. It enables wireless data communication between Bluetooth enabled devices. Examples: PC, laptop, mobile phone, digital cameras, MP3 players, etc. Means it is a short range wireless communication technology which replaces the cable or wire connecting electronic devices. In this technology, the devices must be Bluetooth enabled for data communication. Common examples of Bluetooth enabled devices are personal computer, laptop, mobile phone, MP3 player, digital cameras, etc. Wi-Fi technology. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity and is a term for a high-speed wireless access technology. It is a method of connecting any Wi-Fi equipped device by radio waves to each other, to a local area network, or to the internet without wires. Means it stands for wireless fidelity and is used for a high speed wireless internet access. In this technology, the devices must have built in Wi-Fi capability or a Wi-Fi adapter card. In Wi-Fi technology, the data or signals are transferred in the form of radio waves to each other or a local area network or to the internet without using wires. Hotspot. A hotspot is a zone where people may obtain high speed internet access, typically using Wi Fi technology via a wireless local area network WLAN. Means it is a area or place where people can access high speed internet using Wi-Fi technology or via a wireless local area network. Examples: airports, railway stations, educational institute, etc. Global Positioning System GPS. The Global Positioning System is a space based or worldwide satellite navigation system formed from a constellation of 24 satellites and their ground stations. The ground stations monitor the GPS satellites, checking both their operational health and their exact position in space. It provides locations and time information in all weather conditions anywhere on or near the earth. Means it is a space based or worldwide satellite navigation system formed with a constellation of 24 satellites and their ground stations. Ground stations controls the GPS satellites and checks both their operational health and exact position in space. The main work of GPS is to provide locations and time information in any types of weather in anywhere on or near the earth. Mobile broadband. Mobile broadband is a general term used to describe high speed internet access from mobile service providers like Airtel, Jio, BSNL, etc. for portable devices like mobile phones and tablets. Examples: 3G and 4G mobile broadband. Means it is a general term used for describing high speed internet access for mobile phones and tablets and providing MSP mobile service providers like Airtel, BSNL, Jio, etc. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that uses the internet and central remote servers to maintain data and applications. It allows consumers and businesses to use applications, resources without installation and access their personal files at any computer with internet access. Means it is an internet based computing system that uses the internet and central remote servers to handle or controls data and applications. In cloud computing, we can use applications like files, software, and resources like printer, scanner, etc. without installation at any computer with internet access. Dear students, finally your first chapter is completed. Now here are some solved worksheets is given from your chapter first. You have to write down these on your notebook very carefully. Thank you, students. Have a good day.